how to fix Oppo Reno 14f is not turning on. So let's start the video. First of all, plug in your charger. Plug in your charger means if your battery is on 0%, then plug in your charger and your device will turn on. So firstly plug in your charger and then open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.